The earbuds market is heating up with budget-friendly TWS. Oppo has added this to the mix, the Oppo Enco Buds 3 Pro Plus. Is this the best one in this price segment or just another pair of buds? We will understand by the end of this video. I am your host Harshit Arora. चलिए टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते हैं, सीधा शुरू करते हैं. The Oppo Enco Buds 3 Pro Plus comes with a pebble-like case with stem design. Both the case and buds have plastic build. It looks good and has a solid build quality as well. During my testing, I accidentally set on them and dropped them, but the buds are 100% okay. The in-ear fit is mainly fine and you get 3 ear tips options in the box. Once you find the right fit, they stay comfy for long hours. No pain, no slipping. While we don't recommend to use them for long hours, you can use in case you want to. The Buds comes with IP55 water resistance and it really works. I accidentally dropped some water on them and there was no issue at all. The magnets works really well. No matter how much I try, Buds case से नहीं गिरते हैं and you can open the case with one finger. Time to talk about the sound quality. The Oppo Enco Buds 3 Pro Plus comes with 12.4mm drivers that delivers really outstanding audio output. The bass is punchy, vocals are clear, treble is nice as well, and even if you are using them at 50% volume, they are loud enough to enjoy music. While testing, I never use them at 100% volume as the ANC and passive noise cancellation work well and you can listen at low volumes undisturbed. There are 2 mics in each buds giving you good calling experience both with and without ANC mode. You can connect 2 devices at the same time thanks to Bluetooth 5.4 and using 2 devices at the same time is so much fun plus convenient. You get Enco Master EQ with bass boost and clear vocals preset. Personally, the default sound already felt great, but if you switch to bass boost, Punjabi tracks hit differently. But there is no customizable equalizer option available with them. The Buds supports AAC codec and while playing games, there were almost no latency issues. These buds give you good connectivity as well. If you are using them from a distance or in rushed metro, the buds do not lose the connectivity. As you take out the buds, they instantly connect with both devices. Super smooth functionality. You get single, double and triple tap options to change or play pause music. But the best thing is that you get option to volume up and down directly from the buds. I mean, you don't get this option in many high budget earbuds as well. But yes, you have to customize that as per your need in the settings. Defaulted on नहीं मिलता है आपको ये. The Oppo Enco Buds 3 Pro Plus battery is excellent. When I started using these earbuds, the case had almost 80% battery and the buds were at 100% battery. I used them continuously for 2 days as my primary earbuds. After draining them, I charged them for almost 10 minutes and the buds reached 50% battery and the case was at 30% battery. And once fully charged, I used them for watching 3 movies continuously and they still had 15% battery left. So before coming to any conclusion, let me tell you, Oppo Enco Buds 3 Pro Plus cost 2099 rupees. And I think if you want a pair of buds that can deliver you good sound quality with long playback hours and good connectivity on a budget, then these buds are definitely a value for money deal. Well, what do you think about these buds? Do let us know in the comment section and subscribe Gadget 360 for more such unbiased reviews.